pet owners and parents, and this curious kitty with me is Robot. Robot, say hello to everyone. Today we are going to unbox the Amicura Cura 2 Smart Litter Box. We have reviewed the Amicura Cura 1 before. Do you remember? Robot? Judging by her look, she only remembers the food and the naps. Alright, let's dive in what the new version has to offer to us. Robot, are you ready to assist me? I'll take this as yes. Okay, Robot, let's check out this impressive piece of equipment. Wow, it's quite substantial. It features a sleek and white design made of durable ABS material. Hey, Robot, don't be nervous. It won't replace you. Here are many accessories, a row of trash bags, a power adapter, a deodorizing block, the instruction manual, and 2 types of filter to adapt to different types of cat litter. And also a paddle. Pet owners, I know your main concern is space. This unit is 597 mm long, 597 mm wide, 997 mm with a paddle, and 643 mm high. But the 65-liter large space is worth it, comfortably accommodating cats up to 20 pounds. Even a big kitty like Louise. The design has evolved from the enclosed style of Cura 1 to an open, convertible style toilet. This new design offers a clear view inside. The front door has a caution sign, a small display screen on the right side, and 4 buttons with usage instructions and status codes. Simple and user-friendly. Alright, pet owners, here comes the most exciting part. The usage experience. Using it is straightforward. Pour in the cat litter. Put the trash bag in the waste bin and plug it in. First, let's talk about the safety. It is the top priority for pet owners. The Amicura Cura 2 is equipped with 6 safety protection mechanisms, making it a mini security system for cats. It is equipped with 3 sets of infrared sensors at the entrance, inside the compartment, and at the back. Look, when the device is working, as soon as Robot gets close, it immediately stops. Even if she sneaks up from the back, it still detects her instantly. Now you can go to walk without worrying about any surprises while you're away. Additionally, it has an alert function for abnormalities. If the waste bin is full or the lid isn't closed properly, it will notify you. No more unexpected issues with the litter box. Finally, there is a child lock. For those with curious kids, this feature is invaluable. It gives me peace of mind even when I'm not home. The highlight is Smart Cleaning System. Amicura 2 offers multiple cleaning modes. First is the automatic cleaning mode, which starts cleaning as soon as it detects the cat has left. The drum inside rotates, and waste is sifted through the litter compartment mesh into the waste bin below. The whole process is odor-free. For families with multiple cats, Cura 2's large capacity and efficient cleaning system can handle them without any problem. For pet owners who like to observe remotely, there are timed cleaning and remote cleaning modes via the app. The most thoughtful feature is the delayed cleaning setting. If you've had trouble cleaning soft stools, this litter box allows you to set a delayed cleaning time based on the stool's hardness. The smart system cleverly cleans only the dirty parts, leaving the clean litter for continued use. But if the litter has been used for a long time or has an odor, you can clean it through the app with one click. The litter will all be dumped into the waste bin, making changing to new litter easily. No worries about litter flying around. We'll make a detailed video on the specific app functions later. It's very simple to operate. First, the app can control cleaning remotely. perfect for those of us who often work late. It also monitors the cat's toilet habits, recording frequency and time, helping us spot health issues early. Another useful feature is a cleaning reminder, so you never forget to change the litter. Last, it has a Do Not Disturb mode, ensuring quiet during the night. The Cura 2 includes a deodorizing box with the bin. This little thing is very powerful. It can break down odors from the source. Moreover, the waste bin's capacity has significantly increased from 8 liters in Cura 1 to 12 liters in Cura 2, especially accommodating a single cat's waste for 15 days. This means you can go out for a long time without cleaning, especially handy for pet owners who travel frequently. However, it's important to note that even if the deodorizing box is powerful, it still needs time to change regularly. It's recommended to change it every 7 to 40 days to maintain its optimal deodorizing effect. Next, let's talk about cleaning and maintenance. The Cura 2 is easy to disassemble. The top cover, drum, and waste bin can all be easily removed for cleaning. No more worrying about hard-to-reach corners, but be careful. The base has delicate electronic components, so it shouldn't be washed directly with water. Don't worry, though. Wiping with a wet wipe will keep it clean. Lastly, I want to emphasize that even if this litter box is very smart, it still needs thorough and regular cleaning. After all, giving our pets a clean and comfortable environment is our responsibility as dedicated pet owners. Okay, let's listen to the sound it makes while walking. Hey robot, what do you think of this noise? Here, the noise is so low that it will not shake our cats. Overall, robot adapted quickly and seems to like this new gadget. From her content expression, it seems that she's very satisfied. After using the Amicura Cura 2, let's evaluate the pros and cons together. Hey robot, don't sleep! Let's evaluate your new toy. 6 safety mechanisms to protect cats, giving pet owners peace of mind. 65-liter open large space to meet the needs of cats of all sizes. Smart cleaning system saves time and effort. Remote control via the app to monitor the cat's health. Strong deodorizing function eliminates odor problems. Quiet design doesn't disturb pets or owners' routines. Easy to clean and maintain, easy to disassemble. Additional footboard helps remove excess litter from the cat's paws and makes it easier for short-legged or older cats to enter and exit the litter box. The footboard tends to shift. A magnetic design would have been better. Although maintenance is relatively simple, like all litter boxes, it requires regular replacement of the deodorizing block and cleaning, which are unavoidable parts of daily life. Overall, I think the pros far outweigh the cons. Robot, what do you think of it? Robot? Okay, that's it for today's Amicura Cura 2 Smart Litter Box review. Of course, every cat has different personalities and habits. It may take some time to get used to it, but trust me, once they get used to it, you and your cat will love it. Okay, robot, let's say goodbye to everyone. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe to my channel and tell me what kind of pet products you are most interested in the comments. See you next time. Bye!